Family Type Manager easily provides the ability to update lookup tables for Revit. So with the Lookup Table Home tab, go ahead and select the Import Lookup Table. In this case, we'll just grab a metric one, click OK. You can grab metric or imperial. It doesn't matter also what languages you may have included in here. And at that point, in a matter of a second, it's gone there and populated the information into a Excel list object table where you can easily go in there and to filter and sort any of your data as you need. And so from here, you can make all your edits, which we'll cover in a second video. Once you've done modifying, you're able to come back in here and either and click export to export out the file. It's going to ask you for a backup. Say yes or no. You say yes, okay. Oh, say it doesn't exist. So if it does not exist, it'll go and create a file. Now it's created an original backup. You're not working in the original file with Family Type Manager. It's duplicating your information, allowing you to work independently of your existing file, make all the changes, verify everything, back up the original, and then replace it with the lookup table revised information. So that's been done, and the new file asks you to replace, so yes it does, and you've now replaced it. So you now have a new file in place. If you go back here, look at open, you will see there is a backup file that's been created. This backup file has the original information in place. It includes also a date and timestamp of when that was done. And then you have your new file here that you've created as well, ready to be utilized into your catalog. You can also export a type catalog as an independent Excel file. So I'll go here to my desktop, click OK, export out here, and we now have the ability to send this type catalog out to other people, to customers to review, mark up, provide comments on other departments. So we can then load this back into Family Type Manager and update our type catalogs. We're also able to go ahead and the backup can be named any name you want. So go ahead and provide it a value. You can also go ahead and actually create a new type catalog. So let's say, for instance, we are wanting to create this for international aspects of other languages, metric versus imperial, or historical catalogs, lookup tables that we want to, we're able to, in our tool, create a filtered lookup table system. So if you want to keep all of your data in a master lookup table that has all your timestamping by history of all your changes, and only export out the revised catalogs that are filtered for latest information, you can do such. So in here, we'll go ahead and just do our copy import name, and it's going to grab this information beforehand. Click OK. It's going to update it here. We're going to change this over here to FR for France. And at this point here, we can go back and generate a new lookup table. It's going to create a new table for France. We go back here and open up the information, and you'll now see a new table here created called FR. So very quickly, generating anything you need, make those changes. So that covers the scope of what the lookup table management home tab offers. Thank you for watching.